Greetings. In this video I want to tell you about a stylus pen that I come across on Amazon that I've used to replace the Microsoft Surface, for the iPad, for the Samsung Galaxy in our home. The reason I came across this pen is because I purchased my daughter for Christmas about 2 years ago a genuine Microsoft stylus pen for the Microsoft Surface tablet, and she uses it for drawing, art, everything, and she inadvertently lost it, and I was like, oh no, I don't want to spend another $50 to $100 on a stylus pen. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to search Amazon, we'll see what I come across. The very first one I came across was the MEKO 2-in-1, MEKO 2-in-1, and I was, of course, a little bit skeptical. I'm like, okay, I've purchased stuff off of Amazon to replace, smartphone screen protectors and different things, and they crumble and they go bad within a few weeks. So you don't always get the great value that you think you may be getting. And these are like only $15 that you can get on Amazon. And so she's been using it, and it comes with a little tip here where you can actually see where you're drawing. And she's like, Dad, this works just as good as the Microsoft pen. So we've tried this, the MEKO. We've tried it with the iPad. We've tried it with the Samsung Galaxy and the Nintendo Switch. And shockingly, it's really, really good value. So, I mean, you can't really go wrong with like $15 just to try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you get the MEKO, and tell me what you think about it, if you think it's just as good as the genuine stylus pens that you can get. And until the next one, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.